Okay, good morning everybody. Today we're going to study mathematics. Okay, so please prepare your green book like this with the girl, with the picture of the girl. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now.
ดีเชอร์หน้าที่เท่าไหร่
Page 92.
92
Yes, 92.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I think so. Page 92. I'm going to see it. Yes, page 92. Okay, kids. Page 92. I'm going to send it also in our chat box so that you will see the page. Page 92. Did you see it? Are you there already?
มีคนเพจ92 โอเค
Yes, page 92.
เพจ92 โอเค เปิดแล้วค่ะทีเชอร์เปิดแล้ว
Wow, very good. You opened it already. Okay, so are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Okay. So we're going to begin first with an example problem, okay? Okay, look at the screen first. Look at the screen first. Okay? Don't look at your book first. Focus on the screen. Okay. Example problem. Granny made 4 fried eggs. Oh, the granny. What is granny, kids? The granny is the grandmother. Okay? So grandmother made 4 fried eggs. How many fried eggs? How many fried eggs did grandmother make? 4. Very good. There are 4 fried eggs, and she gave 1 fried egg to grandpa. Okay. Now, how many fried eggs does she have left? At first, she has 4 fried eggs, and then she gave 1 of them to grandpa. Now, how many fried eggs does she have left? How many?
3
Okay, so very good. So what are we going to do? Here are the steps in solving word problem. The first thing that we have to do is to clarify the problem. So we have to find out what information is provided, okay? And what is the question? So we have 2 parts of the problem, right? The first part is the information part, and the second part is the question part. Okay, so what is the information and what is the question? Okay? So for the information, we have Granny who made 4 fried eggs. And the next information is that she gave 1 of the eggs to the grandfather. She gave 1 of them to grandpa. So that is the information. So what about the question? What is the question that is given in the problem? So the question is, how many fried eggs does she have left? Okay. And some of you answered already. Okay. But before that, we have to plan first. Okay. Since Granny gave 1 fried egg to grandpa, it means that she had less fried eggs than before. Okay? She had less eggs than before because she lost 1 egg. She gave it to grandpa. Okay? Focus on the screen first. Okay. On the screen. Do not open your book yet, okay? I'm going to tell you when to open your book. Okay, so in planning, we have to decide what operation are we going to use, okay? And since in this problem, she had less fried eggs, that means that we are going to use, that means that we're going to use subtraction, okay? So if you want to follow, you can open page 90. Page 90. 90. Okay, this part is in page 90 if you want to follow. Okay, so in this part, we have to use subtraction. So 4 minus 1 equals blank. Okay, so we have to stop here because we have another step. The next step is execute the plan. Okay, we're going to do the plan. Execute the plan, kids, means do the plan. Okay, so 4 minus 1 equals what? Is it? 3. Very good. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay, therefore, the answer is Granny has 3 fried eggs. Okay, so therefore you are correct. Confetti. Okay, now how do we know or how will we know if the answer is correct? We have to check it. We have to see if it's reasonable. Okay? Okay? So we can see that it is reasonable because the difference is 3, which is less than 4. Okay? Alright. Okay. Again, kids, how many eggs does grandma have? How many eggs at first? At first, she had 4. And then, how many eggs did she give to grandpa? How many eggs did she give to grandpa? 1. Okay, and then 4 minus 1 equals? 4 minus 1 equals?
How many?
Equals 3. Okay.
โอแบบมันดูแล้วก็อะไรเนี่ยน้ำหนึ่งปิดไมค์ก่อน
Okay, okay.
น้ำหนึ่งปิดไมค์
Okay, now we're going to have an activity, a written activity. So teacher wants you to open your book to page 92. Page 92. Okay? Okay, let's go. We're going to circle the part of the word problem that gives information. Okay? And then we're going to underline the question part. Okay? Circle more or fewer. After doing the first part, after encircling and underlining the information and the question, we're going to decide more or fewer. Okay? So let's jump into it. Number 1. Okay? Who can repeat after me? Okay, repeat after me. 5 children are playing on the slide.
on the front.
2 of them are boys. How many girls are playing on the slide? Very good. Okay. So there are 5 children that are playing on the slide, and 2 of them are boys. So the question is, how many girls are playing on the slide? What do you think is the answer? 3. Okay, some of you are very fast in mathematics. Okay, so but the question is, are there more or fewer than 5 girls are playing on the slide? Is it more than 5 or fewer than 5?
Fewer ภาษาอังกฤษก็ไม่ยาก
Okay.
ก็ไม่ยากนะขอเอาภาษาไทยอ่ะ
What do you think?
ภาษาอังกฤษอัดออกเสียงเหมือนภาษาไทยเลยไม่เห็นหรอ
Okay, the answer is fewer. Okay,
30
fewer. So we're going to circle first the information part. Okay, from 5 children, okay, I'm going to read it. 5 children are playing on the slide. 2 of them are boys. So that part is the information part. So we're going to circle it. Wow! Nata Kunpaichit is finished.
Finish. Finish. Finish.
Okay, now we're going to underline the question part. Okay, here the question is, how many girls are playing on the slide? How many girls are playing on the slide? So we're going to underline it. Okay, when you're finished, please raise your hand or use the raise hand button. Press the raise hand button. Good job. Some of you are finished already. Okay. So now we're going to decide if it is more or fewer, which we already answered, okay? Fewer than 5 girls are playing on the slide, okay? So also we're going to circle the fewer.
Finish. Finish.
Very good job.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish. Finish.
Is everybody finished?
What? Finish. Yes. Finish.
Wow, good job. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. Okay, let's read the problem. Alfie needs 6 notebooks. He already has 5 notebooks.
Five notebook.
How many more notebooks
More notebook.
should he buy? Very good. Okay, so here we have a boy. A boy with the name Alfie. Okay, and then Alfie needs 6 notebooks, but he already has 5. So how many notebooks should he buy more? Okay, so the choice that we have here is more or fewer. Alfie should buy more or fewer than 6 notebooks. Okay, is it going to be more than 6 notebooks or fewer than 6 notebooks? Oh, very good. Okay, it is fewer. Okay, but now we're going to analyze first. We're going to understand first the problem, which is the information part and which is the question part. Okay, here the information is the first part, of course. Alfie needs 6 notebooks. He already has 5 notebooks. That is the information part. Okay, and then what is the question part? We're going to underline the question part, right? Okay, so we're going to underline how many more
ไม่ใช่ค่ะ
notebooks.
อนุญาตไปเข้าห้องน้ำได้ไหมคะ
Sure, you can. So the question is, how many more notebooks should he buy? That is the question. So we're going to underline it.
One.
Good job. That is the answer. Okay, but we are going to encircle only the more or fewer than 6 notebooks. Is one more or fewer than 6? Fewer. Very good. One is fewer than 6. So Alfie should buy fewer than 6 notebooks. Good job.
I am happy.
You are happy. Wow. I'm happy that you're happy.
อย่าพูดตา
You're
ม
happy too? Wow, I'm happy for you.
แม่ใส่
Hi, Fasai.
I am happy
Okay, wow. It's good that you're happy. Okay, now let's move on to number 3. Is everybody finished?
yes
Yakun, are you finished?
finish
Wow, very
finish
good. Okay. Okay, so I think everybody's finished. Okay, some of you, I cannot see you on screen, so please turn on your camera. So if you're finished, I will know, okay? Now let's go to number 3. Okay, repeat after me again, kids, okay? Austin has 8 rolls
plastic rose
of colored paper.
a bit of
He used
he used
2 of them.
two of them
Very good. How many rows
how many rows
of colored paper
of color paper
does he have left?
that she have read
Very good. Okay, so that is our problem. So which part is the information? Okay, if I'm going to write here A, this is the A, or this is the B, and this is the B. So is it A or B? Which is the information part? What are we going to encircle? A or B? A or B? The A. Okay, we always encircle the first part. Okay, because the information is usually given at first. Okay? And then the question part is usually put in the last part of the problem. So the question here is, how many rolls of colored paper does he have left? That is the question. Okay? Okay, and then after that, we will decide if Austin has more or fewer than 8 rolls of colored paper left. Fewer. Very good. Be nice and clean. And everyone. Okay. Very good. The answer here is fewer. Austin has fewer than 8 rolls of colored paper left because he used 2 of them. That means that the remaining the remaining number of colored paper is only 6 rolls, and 6 is fewer than 8. Okay, when you're finished, raise your press the raise hand button. Okay. Oh, the one with the Thai name is finished. I cannot see her face. Is it what do you call it? What's the name of that girl? Aya? No. Yeah.
คุณครูค่ะหนูไม่ได้ยิน
Some of you are
คุณครูเลยค่ะ
Again.
finish it's the good finish ไม่ได้ยินคุณครูเลย finish it's the good finish
Oh, the one is finished. Eva is finished.
it's ตอนนี้หนูก็ยังไม่ได้ยินอยู่เลยค่ะ
Okay, so let's move on. I think everybody's finished. Okay, in this part, still on page 92, okay, we're going to write the number sentence and solve the answer. Okay, write the answer in numerals in each box. Okay, we're going to write the number sentence, kids, and then the final answer will be written in the box. All right, the first question, the first problem. Sunny needs 5 bowls. He has already found 4 bowls. How many more bowls does he need to find? Okay, we're going. Teacher Lance gave some choices. Okay, we have A, 5 plus 4 equals box, or B, 5 minus 4 equals box. So what do you think is the answer?
5 minus
Or
4.
B? Oh, somebody said the answer. Very good. That is 5 minus 4 equal box. So you're going to write it on the lines here in your book, in this part here. Okay, is somebody? Yeah, somebody is coming. Okay, in this part, you're going to okay. The background is change background. Okay, in this part, you're going to write here the number sentence. Okay. All right. Write the number sentence there, which is letter B. 5 minus 4 equals box. And then, what is the answer to 5 minus 4? What is the answer? 5 minus 4 equals
1.
1. Good job. It is 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Therefore, the answer is Sunny needs to find one more bowl. Okay, so we're going to write 1 inside of the box. Okay, when you're finished, raise your hand or press the raise hand button.
Baby, finish.
Wow, good job, Pipi.
Masay, finish.
Pasay, okay, good job.
Finish. Finish.
Good job. Okay, I think everybody's finished. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. Number 2, Florence bought 6 bars of soap. She used 3 of them. How many bars of soap does she have left?
Wow.
What is the correct number sentence? Is it 6 plus 3 equals box, or 6 minus 3 equals box?
B.
B. Good E. Everybody who answered, very good, PP. Okay, good job. The
B.
correct answer is letter B. 6 minus 3 equals box. Okay, and then we're going to write the final answer. Florence has blank bars of soap left. So what is the answer? 6 minus 3 equals? 6 minus 3 equals?
3. 3.
Good job. Well done. Number 3. You're going to write 3 inside of the box. Is it easy, kids? Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay. It's easy, right? Very easy.
Baby, finish.
Good job. Okay. I think everybody's finished. Oh, let's wait for Be Nice. Finish. Or are you finished? Not yet.
Finish.
Okay, very good.
Finish.
Number 3. Macy made 3 red cocktails and 2 green cocktails. How many more red cocktails did she make than the green ones? What is the correct number sentence? Is it A, 3 plus 2 equals box, or B, 3 minus 2 equals box?
B.
B, 3 equals box. That's the correct number sentence. Okay, and then the answer is Macy made blank more red cocktail than the green cocktails. So what is the correct answer? 3 minus 2 equals 1. Perfect. The correct answer is 1. So we're going to write 1 inside of the box.
Baby, finish.
Finished. Okay, good job.
Finish.
Wow, very good. Okay, kids. So today we learned how to do subtraction word problems. Okay, we learned that we can separate the problem into there is the information part and the question part. And also in solving a problem, there has to be a number sentence. Okay? That's part of planning the problem. Planning how to solve the problem. So I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance today, and also I hope that you enjoyed this class. So that's it. Goodbye everybody, and also you can say goodbye to your friends. For those who are not yet finished, you can take your time and write on your books first. Okay, goodbye everybody. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, can I stop sharing my screen now?
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye Be Nice. Bye Ink. Bye Pipi. Bye Patay. Bye Dala. Bye Jokun. Bye everybody. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Bye Ing. I'm gonna leave the room now. Bye.